Hello people, welcome back to the channel. The biker is driving in the stop lane. He is not driving fast, but he still upset the driver of the red car. Let's see.
What? What do you want? Huh?
Angry driver who did not turn on lights in the tunnel and should have, shows the biker why he is angry. Now the biker is on the verge of road rage.
What do you want? Okay, so what? I'm on a bike.
The driver of the white car is annoyed by the ride of the biker in front of him, and he overtakes him on a solid line.
Crazy.
The biker moves along the double solid line, counting on the fact that no one will change the lane.
White line! There's a white line! It's a white line, it's solid! You gotta be careful! You gotta be careful!
kitty. She gone.
The driver turns without a signal and without looking in the mirror. The biker is annoyed and wants to reach the driver. By doing so, he himself commits an offense by cutting the way of the oncoming vehicle.
You're not gonna look? Please, yeah? Right, go on.
Now I'm gonna show you what it looks like when the road rage turns into street fight.
Thank you. You too.
This is one very interesting clip. The biker is refueling and the guy with the knife in his hand comes out in front of him. The biker has a gun. Let's see.
What's up, man?
Dude, where'd you get this bike? No way, I've been to the same place.
They still have one.
Can I feel it?
I don't care.
Oh man, she is gorgeous, I can just tell.
What you doing with that knife, though?
Oh, it's just my Romanian colors.
Your what?
I'm part Roman,
Okay.
so this is basically the Romanian flag.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm not trying to cause you harm.
Oh, you're fine, man. But I have my hand on my piece, just letting you know, just in case.
Yeah, man. How much does it cost?
A bike?
Yeah.
This one,
Fill it up, the tank.
oh, $2, $3.
And how much do you get out of a tank?
I'd probably fill up like maybe once every week or something.
You're kidding, right?
No, dead serious.
You're dead serious.
Dead serious, bro.
Snapchat?
Huh?
Can I have your Snapchat?
Sure.
Here, look. I'm giving you my phone.
Hold on, wait, don't put it there, don't put it there. Give me a second.
Look, I'm putting my weapon away.
Why don't you just put it down, dude? There you go, brother.
So look. So I'll show you. Oops, it's a app.
Oh, sorry.
Stupid thing.
And then SEN. Appreciate you, brother.
Oh. Don't tell anybody, but I'm
Really?
yes.
What are you doing over here?
I'm actually first generation.
Oh, shit.
American, and not a lot of people know. Because, dude, I actually come from the bloodline that was the Pharisees and the Roman people who crucified Jesus.
So you're Romanian?
Yeah, but I'm actually, my bloodline is from the Bible.
Okay.
So
It's not Catholic or Christian. It's
Pentecostal.
That's right.
But I am actually different. I am just a follower of Jesus Christ. I don't brand myself anything that's. I am a Christian.
Right.
I'm not gonna put some washed down name on it. I'm gonna believe what I believe.
Yeah, hell yeah, man.
So yeah, man, that's cool, dude.
Yeah.
I want to see this bike more.
Yeah, dude.
Look at it, it's got paws, dude. So I have a dog, so that makes perfect like feelings for me. You know?
Oh, rad.
I have a black lab, full grown, 1 year, and I raised them, dude. Such a. I'm a kid.
Yeah.
Oh
Well, they're fur babies, so I got 4. I got 2 German Shepherds and 2 others.
way?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
So big dog person.
My dog when I get home. But damn, man, how much did this run you?
So this, if you're gonna buy a motorcycle, I always say get used. That's just my personal opinion, because you get them
You want to get used to it?
you want to get used to it. You get them a lot cheaper, and then when you feel more experienced, then buy new.
Okay.
But that's just my own personal.
That's smart, actually.
Yeah.
Intellectual.
So
Yeah.
this, I think it was going for Top speed. This is a FZ07, so it only goes up to like 120.
That's still pretty fast.
It's still fast, yeah, but like other bikes out there that go to like,
I've only been to 155, and that was with my E93.
yeah.
I had that was tuned, so and that was pretty quick. 156.
Oh yeah, dude, that's fast, man. That's real quick.
Oh, the I-84, dude, weaving through traffic.
Oh yeah, dude.
Dude, I got the cops called on me, everything. 49 yards, bro.
Oh yeah.
But
Yeah.
I don't mean to keep you.
Oh, you're good, brother.
Honestly, it was a blessing.
No, dude, it was nice meeting you.
Yeah, likewise, and I hope to talk to you more.
Yeah,
And do you know anybody who knows Stephen King books?
I might.
Because I have a personal collection from him, signed by him.
Are you serious?
Look.
Nice meeting you again, brother.
Likewise, bro.
Take care.
I'm picking up my weapon.
You're good, brother.
In the store.
You're good. You're good.
Thank you, bro. Be blessed.
Take care.
Hey!